fellow craft nerds, it's Liz, your official craft nerd. I am here today bringing a Halloween haul. I am so excited. I have been searching all the Dollar Tree stores in my area trying to find the Halloween merchandise. They haven't had it out as of yet, so I had to go a little bit further out to one of my other favorite stores, and just like I expected, they were on top of it and they had a lot of great stuff. So, but today was gold, so, and definitely needed that pick me up today, so I was so happy. So let me just jump right in. There was 2 fall things that I did get with this haul, and that was just I did pick up 2 of their Garland, and that was because I loved this little shiny leaves that they had in these particular ones, little red. See, I just thought those were they're adorable. Now these, of course, for $1, they're definitely great for just your simple little decor pieces around the house. They're not super full like you would get at, say, Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but for $1, these are perfect. They worked for the little decor pieces that I would do. The other item that I got and I was excited to find was the galvanized metal words, and this is Thankful, Harvest, and Welcome. And these are great for, you know, making your own personalized signs for fall, if you make wreaths, whatever. But these are definitely awesome. I love that Dollar Tree has been bringing out these every season and every holiday. These are perfect. So those were the 2 fall themes that I got. The rest was Halloween, so I was so excited. So I'll start with the ribbon. I always end up grabbing ribbon when I'm there if it seems like it's something I don't have, but it's always worth having on hand. So in their Halloween ribbon, I can't talk. Maybe it's because my hair looks crazy today. I don't know. It is what it is, y'all, so just roll with it. This is the first one. This was super, super cute. I love this. And this just has the haunted house, boo, just, you know, Halloween words. Then they also had this in orange. It just says Happy Halloween with the spider webs. And they had just black spider webs. They had black and white bats. So cool. This one I love because the little skeleton on there. Candy corn. I love candy corn. You guys, I'm probably one of the few, because I know it's a very big toss-up when people ask if you like candy corn or not. I actually really like candy corn, but it is really sweet and you can only have so much and it can be addicting and you can keep eating it. I don't need to do that, so I try to limit my candy corn intake, but I don't care if it's an unpopular opinion or not. I do like candy corn, so there's that. And then this was the last one. This one I love. Y'all check out this skull. Oh, I have a skull obsession. I don't think I've probably said that to anybody on here, but if you know me personally, then you already know that. But I grab anything with skulls on it. Love it. The next thing that I did get was these picks. And they're just little witch hats. Oh, these are so cute. I haven't seen these before, so I did grab one of those. I also picked up, they had Halloween galvanized letters, and these say haunted, spooky, and beware. So again, for your own personalized signs that you may make, I know that's probably what I'm going to use them for. You can put them on wreaths, whatever. These are such a must-have, so I did get a couple of those. Then I also grabbed these, and these are little witches brooms, and I don't know if you can really see in the package, but they are so adorable. They had these in, I think there was purple, there might have been like an orange one as well, but I just wanted the black. But I thought, I just love the little witch brooms, so cute. I also grabbed some of the pipe cleaners because I do make Halloween and fall wreaths, but these are perfect for the Halloween ones. So I grabbed some of the purple and the black. I think, yeah, they only had purple and black at the store. They may have them in other colors, but those were perfect for what I needed. Then I also got these, and these are just an LED light set. These are in purple, but they're just the little tiny lights, because I was thinking of some things to use these for. They have them in orange too if you want orange lights, but I like the purple, so I got some of the purple lights. And then I also found this. I've never seen these before either, and this is an LED projector light, and it's supposed to project, y'all, I cannot talk, project that image on your ceiling or wherever you aim it, I guess. So I mean, you see these things all the time at like Walmart, and they want a lot of money for them. And again, it's Dollar Tree, so it may not be the most spectacular show, but hey, it's worth $1 for me to see what it looks like, and it's just for fun, man. You know, they had this is the witch one. I think they have one that was like a pumpkin, and there might have been another one, but that was the one that spotted my eye. I don't know, spotted my eye. You guys, I might as well just start this all over because I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, let's roll with it. I also grabbed these, the little witch hats, the little wood pieces. They had cats and the ghost, and oh, they're so cute. I love those. I don't know, I think I have these little wood ornaments every time they come out with whatever season it is or whatever holiday. I always snag them because you never know what you can use those for. Definitely great little projects for, you know, if you have your kiddos at home, your young kids, they can color them, they can decorate them. Or if you're like me, you can use them on signs. You can, again, stick them in a wreath. You can do whatever you want for your holiday decor. So I was really excited to get them. They also had the larger wood pieces, which again, I'm kind of addicted to like any kind of wood signs or wood pieces that the Dollar Tree puts out because they've just been putting out so many great things. And I love the blanks because you can get as creative as you want with them. So the first one was the witch. Again, I love that one. They have, of course, an actual jack-o'-lantern. I got 2 of the houses just because, I don't know, I dig the houses, and there's so many things you could do with these, so grab those. Then they had, of course, the Day of the Dead skulls, which they have this one, and then they have this one with the little hat. Love those. And for me, this decor, these will go in my bedroom because I have a lot of Day of the Dead decorations that are from Halloween or whatever that I have used for bedroom decor. Don't judge me. I love it. And then they also had this sign that says Wicked. And then this one just says Happy Halloween. Super cute. Totally love it when they come out with these wood signs, and this store had a ton. There was a lot more that I didn't get. They also had a lot of the ones that stand up, like the little smaller signs, but they stand up on a little platform. And I think they have like the double back, so it's like there's something, you can put something in the middle, but I couldn't think off the top of my head what I could use those for, so I didn't grab any of those. But my best find was finding more of the, oh, let me show you this, and then I'll show you something else because I just realized I forgot to show you something. My best find was finding more of the mesh, and they had more purple. They had a ton of purple, and I've already used purple so far. I've made one big wreath with the purple, and for me, for the bigger wreaths, I think it takes about a roll, I want to say maybe a roll and a half to do with just one color. So I got this, but you guys, I've been on the hunt, and I mean the hunt, from this state to Colorado to wherever in between, trying to find other colors, and they had black. Y'all, I was blown away because this is the one that I have been searching for, and they had so many rolls, and I'm not gonna tell you how many I bought because I couldn't resist. I had to get it. So, but it's black mesh, and you guys, I looked this stuff up. On Amazon, these rolls go for about $15 a roll on Amazon. 15 bucks. So this is an incredible deal. So if you guys see this stuff in your stores and you like to make like holiday wreaths and whatever, this stuff compared to the smaller rolls, and I'm trying to see if I can find one because I know I've got a lot of the little rolls. This stuff, okay, so they sell all this stuff. This is a lot. This is not a lot. I mean, they sell a lot of these little rolls. This is all of 5 yards. This isn't going to give you much of a wreath. I mean, you're going to have to use a lot of these. Compared to this is 10 yards, but this is 21 inches by 10 yards. And this is 6 inches by 5. So do the math. This one is so much better. So if you find these big rolls, and like I said, anytime I find them, I don't really care what color they are. I've been picking them up because they're perfect. Wreaths are the easiest things to make, and they are perfect gifts. And I mean, or you could sell them or whatever, but I'm kind of obsessed right now because I didn't know I could make them before, and I realized just how easy they are to make. I did get some more hangers for them because they have them in the different colors. They have them in fall colors too, which I do have already. They have them in brown and I think another color like an orange, but I picked up the Halloween colors. And I forgot these because these were a little bit bigger, but these were back to the fall stuff. I did pick up one of these signs, and they had 2 different kinds. I didn't really particularly care for what was on it. That's not why I bought it. And for me, I'm going to repaint this and do a Halloween theme for this. And then I got these 2 metal signs. But I thought these were cute. Sorry for the noise. This one just says Happy Harvest. This one, a little wagon. Says Hello Fall. These are cute. These will probably not stay on this. I will take that off and put these on something else, but I thought those were adorable. So, but that is it, guys. Oh, no. I'm not organized at all, if you can tell. Like, I think I've got things set up to get started on some DIYs that I want to record, and I just was like, I gotta get this haul out of the way and show you guys really quick before I forget. So the last thing that I got is I picked up a couple of these, and I know you've seen these, people have shown these before, and these are those really cute where you can, you know, use a paint marker, customize it, do whatever you want with it. But I think I'm going to spray paint these black and use them for Halloween pieces as well. So I'm a big fall is my favorite season. I absolutely love decorating for fall, but truth be told, I love fall more going into the Halloween season. Blacks and purples and oranges and all that, that's just my style, my vibe. So I definitely get excited for Halloween. So I'll do the pretty fall stuff for parts of the home, but when it's time to really knock out the Halloween, man, I'm on it. So I'm really excited to dive in and get started on some of my projects. So stay tuned. I am going to have some Halloween, slow down, very soon or shortly or whatever. So I'm really excited to share those. And hey, if you guys are new here and you've stuck around this long, thank you so much. I like to do DIY projects, especially using Dollar Tree items, and I do like to show Dollar Tree hauls or thrift store hauls or whatever, just to kind of give you an idea of the things that I purchase to make projects out of. And also, if you're like me, I kind of like to be nosy and see what other people buy, so haul videos are fun for me. But I also do DIY videos as well to kind of show you how to make really simple projects that are fun for your house or for your office or wherever, and you can do them at an affordable cost. So, you know, it's always fun for me to make things that are super cheap to make but look super expensive. So yeah, that's really it. So if you're new here, I hope you stick around, and please hit that subscribe button below. And if you are already a subscriber and you're coming back again, thank you so much for visiting me.